Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. A JoJo Siwa subscription box. When I found this, I freaked out because my youngest, who is 6 years old, is a huge JoJo fan. She calls her JoJo Siwa, or CY. CY is what she says, JoJo CY. Anyhow, I filmed her opening this box. And so you'll get to see her reaction, her feedback on all of the contents inside. But I wanted to hang out with you beforehand because I could hardly talk once I gave her the box. This box is $30 plus shipping. It has 60 plus in value, and it has exclusive items inside. It's a quarterly box, and we're showing you the fall 2020 box. And the only thing you really have to make a selection on is the shirt size. So I chose the extra small for my semi-petite 6-year-old. Inside this box is a whole bunch of things, but let me just let them show you.
JoJo Siwa!
It's a JoJo Siwa subscription box.
Open it now!
This box, I don't know if y'all can see, is super cute.
Wait, I didn't get this.
All right, tell us what is inside this box.
A JoJo Siwa bow.
That is so cute. Oh, this talks about everything that's inside. So I'm gonna stick this here so it'll be a surprise to you. What is it? This is a toothbrush holder.
Oh, JoJo Siwa puzzle.
That's a good idea. So this box is a $30 plus shipping box. It always has $60 or more in value of exclusive JoJo items. It is quarterly, and this is the fall 2020 box. A coloring sticker. Oh, it's like a little flag. You were just getting ready to decorate your new bedroom?
A keychain.
A keychain.
Those are charms.
Is that an entire sweater? Oh my gosh, put it on.
It's so
That
comfy.
is extremely soft. Oh my gosh, that is so great. Okay, so she got that hoodie, 2 keychains, the flag, 2 or 3 colored stickers she can color in here.
A toothbrush holder.
A
A
JoJo bow.
And a JoJo puzzle.
And
a JoJo coat.
I think that is an incredibly good deal, y'all. There you go. Okay, what do you think about the JoJo? Up or down?
1 million ups.
1 million ups. Awesome. I told you she loved the box. Her whole comforter is JoJo. We've got several things, so she's super excited to put these things in her room, especially that little wall art that was in there, the tapestry. Anyhow, as a mom, I mean, this is a full out, extraordinarily soft hoodie. It is great material. I am so impressed. This is way above a $30 value in my opinion. And for $30 a quarter, you could order an entire year and gift it to a kid. And oh my gosh, I'm hoping that my parents subscribe her to this because I haven't yet for Christmas because she's going to die. She just is such a JoJo fan, and the quality of the items are really good. And so we have ordered from Amazon the do-it-yourself JoJo bow kit. They fell apart. It wasn't good quality. We were really frustrated. This is completely different. This is a good quality bow. Now, it's not up to par with her specialty bows, I'll tell you that much, but it is really good. So I, as a parent, give this box a huge thumbs up. And obviously, what did the kids say? A million ups.
1 million ups.
Or something like that. Okay, JoJo Siwa box. Big hit. If you have any questions, reach out. If I have coupon codes, they'll be down below. And if you have a box that I have not opened yet, send it over. We are diving into kids' boxes for Christmas. We want you guys to have good things to choose from. And here on the channel, we focused on the best. So if we open a box, give it to the kids, and the kids are just like, or we open the box and we find out, gosh, this is not very good value, we don't share it on here. So when you're on here, we are not a listicle at the pink envelope. We are not a trash talking company at the pink envelope. We just curate, find, source, and share the very best videos. And by we, I film, my husband edits, and the kids put it to the test. It's truly a family business over here. Thanks you guys for watching. I'll be back with more videos, so make sure you've subscribed, you give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment. My daughter who worked on the unboxing would absolutely love to read it. You guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you later. Bye, y'all.